It's karma!
Dang it.
Stuck in the stormy weather.
Sige, mamuntag sa nitanan.
Good morning. Man buntag beshes.
Karon namin diri karon sa karon. Dagan karon. Sige, we are here diri sa Pamplona, no? Pamplona ni siya.
Pamplona.
Kau ba na makaron si Nico? So siya mag-tour na makaron. How many karons is that? And we're with our man. What's up?
Hello.
Hey, it's Keith Fee.
Yeah.
Keith Finney?
Yep, that's me.
Yeah, buddy. Sige, so mato mi karon sa mato mi ron sa mga waterfall?
Yeah,
Unsa
yeah.
man? Waterfalls o river. Pero kini na waterfall daw bago ra discover.
Yes.
So nindot ni siya, walay turista. Nindot siya na kayo. So tara. Sir, sige, so diri mi ninaog. Mo ni siyang crew karon. Sige, so diri masugod daw ang agyanan. Padung sa waterfalls. Pila ka kilometer ang baklay. Uy! Grabe, lapo kaya. Dannog. Dannog ka. Kung mga 2 kilometer daw, no? Ang baklay. Ambot lang. Tanaw na to. So look how sick this place is. Nice little volleyball court right there. Sige, so kagabi, ulan. O kusog. So ang agyanan, lapok kayo. So basin, dugay mi makaabot sa falls, pero at least nindot ang temperature, dili man init kayo. Diba, babe?
Oo.
Unsay dugang nimo?
What's dugang?
Addition.
Addition. Nindot.
Chada.
Chada ting.
Lison magbaklay basta na chinelas, bugat kayo. Magtiniel na lang ko.
You heavy?
Dapat magtiniel kay. Dugay kayo. Bugat kayo. Bahala na.
Oh my!
Ma'am Joey's joining the crew. Team Barefoot. Team Tiniel.
Workout.
Team Tiniel, babe.
Tiniil. But no one heard me say that, so they think that you said it.
These boys are talking tuba over here. Keith likes tuba, right? He's a fan.
Have you tried?
I haven't tried it, but I heard if you drink it with water, makaiget. You'll get diarrhea if you drink water.
Or just too much of it.
Or just too much, it wrecks you.
For me. We have to buy.
You have tuba? Sige mo na si Christian Paul. Taga diri siya. Ikaw yung naka-discover ani.
Dili lang.
Ay, dili
lang
din.
ito. Pero
Abi ko,
kitultulan na tamo, kabasig mawala mo ba?
Oh, pero katultul ka.
Kitultul ko, kaya nakanin ako direct mga 3 times.
3 times na.
3 times
Astig kayo.
Astig.
Nakaambak ka sa taas.
Wala, kay mahadlok dyan ko.
Mahadlo ka. Pero
Basta
karon
kayo.
maambak. Pasin.
Lantaw na tikang mama.
Sige. Mamuntag.
Put it on me, but baby, it's you.
What you looking at?
Estos.
Go get them. Zoe spotted some baby pigs. Say no more.
Be your friend!
Mawawala ka.
Diri daw mi moagi sa long cut kay mas madugay daw ang shortcut. Check out this house in the middle of nowhere. So sick. Puro bamboo, puro kawayan. Stig. Musta dong? Nigabot ka sa balay na ito, nagwapo. Balik ko ka sa to. Oh, right turn. Magkuyog daw si Dong, si Spider-Man. Musta? This place is a little sketchy, so I'm gonna film Zoe in case something funny happens. I'll still be a gentleman. Grab my chinelas.
Grab my They're dirty. They're hugaw.
Hala, mahulog. Napagyapon si Spider-Man, ayos.
Hugaw clean or dirty?
Hugaw? Dirty.
Dirty. Hey, Spider-Man! Hi! Kuyog ka?
Karma, I'm gonna be the one that slips.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Uh-oh.
It's karma!
Dang it. Asa agi Dong?
Okay.
Masayon ni siya.
Lead the way.
Dong's got it. Mas kapulo si Dong kung nasa. Sige, so na duha ka falls. Usad dire. O duha ka falls dito.
Pare na sa tagas.
Pagkaambak sa tanan. Sa tulo. Pagkaambak sa tulo ka falls. O usara.
Duwa ka ang mambakan.
Duha.
Kaya usa maba ka.
Sige, so niya mo na kami diri sa falls. Diri sa ubos. Naayos ka langob. Langob ni siya. Cave ang langob.
Gamay nga langob.
Gamay na langob. Isang itsura sa cave. Sa gamay na langob. Walang itsura sa usa ka pogi. Taga diri.
Don't waste it all on tears. Unlock your fantasies, just wait and see. Knock, knock, revolutions at your door. 'Cause you've been taking every piece of me for granted, and I'm tired of the way you're wired. You make solutions of illusions, and I'll try to break up with your delusions. Watch me fly, fly, fly.
Hello, maayong hapon. Mamanguto di ay, kumusta?
Okay ra.
Naligo mo? Naligo? Ayos. Hello. Manguto. Hoy, kumusta?
I'm your viewer.
Kumusta ang ligo dire?
Okay ra, nindot kayo?
Nindot kayo na?
Oh, first time mo?
First time?
Ngayon noon, kinakamot ka dali.
Mayo. Taga dire ka?
Dagat dali.
Dire lang. Ayos.
Abi na ako di ba kamabot dali. Yung guys, sabi ka man ka.
Oh, bitaw. Primero na mo. Asa ta karon?
Dire.
Dire. Takay pongit. Oh. Oh.
What is it?
It's a burger.
I got burger?
Sige, niyaman kami diri sa ikaduha na falls. Humana kami dito sa primero. Asti kaayo. Diri sa ikaduha, gamay pero nindot siya tanawon. Nindot siya liguan diri. Sige. Very nice. Very bugna. Sige, cold. So we're gonna go past the second one and go to the third one dayon.
Yes.
Hapas mo? Sayo. Ayos. Sige. Agi lang ni. Magpa-picture daw si tita. Ayos. Sige, mo ni siya ang ikatulo ng falls dire sa... Asan ni siya?
Calunggad.
Ha?
Calunggad.
Kanunggad?
Yeah.
Kalunggad?
Pamplona.
Pamplona yon. Mo ni ikatulo sa tulo.
Kadua.
Ikatulo pa lang ni.
Ay, kadua pa nino.
Ang gamay. Dili sa usa.
Ikatulo day.
Ikatulo na ni. So, gwapo kaayo. Gwapo sa tanawon. Pwede daw mo ambak. So, we'll see kung mo ambak ko kay murag delikado man. Zoe Zoo is complete. Pero hadlog yapon sila.
Pigs are just shadows.
Oh my.
Oh,
That's a big mama.
The heck, the biggest pig I've ever seen.
alright, we're currently hiking up this mountain from the waterfall, and I must say, it's a beast of a hike, especially since we're used to being in quarantine for the last 4 months. But this ain't easy. She even has an inhaler, and we're about to pass out. Wala na kami tubig, we're out of water.
That's a small pig.
Yeah, it's kind of small. But yes, when we get to the end of this, we're going to the restaurant to quench our thirst and get some food. Alright, meet you up top. P.S. This is a pretty sick house. They're cooking lunch.
And we had a gravel driveway, rocks, and I would like clear it and then dig into the ground.
Ooh, hello.
What are those?
What do you mean? It's my face.
Diri sa taas ang pinakanindot na tambayan sa tanan na Pamplona. What is this?
Pamplona.
Pamplona. Pastilan.
Very bad with names.
Yes, very bad. Sige, so ang pamilya ni Nico nag-andam og pagkaon para namo og chef daw ang murag igsoon niya. Is it his brother? That's the chef. Basta iyang pariente, murag brother man. So we're excited. We're super hungry. Let's get some food. Zoe's gonna speak Bisaya, but she's shy. Ayaw ko ulaw. Sige, go.
Ayaw ka ulo.
Mangayaw ko tubig.
Oh, nice.
Hey! Palakpak! Very good ni siya.
Very good na sa Bisaya.
Oh, nakaton siya Bisaya. Samtang nag-quarantine man.
Ikaw, very good kayo ang Bisaya.
Dili man good.
Akong, mama.
Oo, mao no. Sige, sumano siya ang handa nila. Ilang andam. Lami kayo. Kompleto tanan. Salamat kayo.
Wala isa pa yan.
Sige, ikaw na ta. Gutom na.
So, this is Raf and that's garlic tuyo. I'm not sure what a tuyo is, but I'm going to try. Oh, it says, well, it's tuyo.
Focus. Alright, garlic.
Tuyo.
Yes.
With garlic. Okay, but we're gonna try it with rice. Obviously, I've got the non-spicy, I hope.
Lami.
Approved? Lami kayo.
It's good. I love garlic.
So, this is the name of it. Raf and Nats.
I'm gonna order online.
Facebook or online? Facebook.
Facebook.
Look at all those chickens.
We are live
I
here.
got mangoes in my teeth, so sorry if you see it. But they have these mangoes and they're green, but inside they're yellow. And
They also have a lot of
Like
roosters
orange.
here.
yeah, sorry, it's freaking loud. But I kid you not, I have yet to have a sweeter mango than this. It's almost like they drizzled it in sweetened condensed milk. What is this mango called?
Marang.
Marang.
It's really called Mara.
Marang.
You couldn't come up with a different name?
Marang, yeah, but legit, it's like there's sugar inside of it.
It was the sweetest mango ever.
Yeah,
Can you back
my-
this up, Keith?
Back me up.
Sweetest mango ever.
I'm not making this up for the vlog. I'm not being like, oh, this is the best, like so sweet. But I am, because it is that good. Alright.
Damn.
What's up? So, nanami sa among last destination, diri sa Pamplona. Kung sa ka river. Ambot kung nasa lapit, pero diri sa bukid. Asa?
Magsusunog.
Yon, mauna. Sige, so ipalupan ako ang drone para kita na mo ang tanan. Let's go. Sige, so diri mo man ang vlog kay kapoy na kayo sa baklay sa ambak
My
sa tanan. Yes. Sige, so animo diri sa Pamplona kay naay daghang nindot, daghang falls. Mobalik pa kami sa sunod Kanapay Falls na wala pa mi nakakuan discover. Karon ang word of the day. Sige, so shout out sa among amigo si Nico kay siyang tour na mo karon. Yeah. Ayos. Just hit him up if you want a nice tour of this place. I don't know. Maybe they have a tour guide. He's not a tour guide, but
Attorney.
he's an attorney. Karon nang. Sige, salamat sa pagtanaw.
Tour guide. What do we have to? I'm being hot.
Loading.